Hello guys, I executed one position on Euro USD and the thought process is we swept this low and we reverse from reverse on Thursday uh, from CPI news. You can see this is the candle formed due to CPI news. So my expectation for today is price should at least go to take this high previous daily high. Also, this is a EBP candle engulfing bar. This is I learned from Omar because this candle swept the liquidity and closed above the prior down candle high. So it engulfed the prior down candle and also take the liquidity. That means this is showing momentum in the price action. So my expectation for today, Friday should take this high or and also this equalizer over there. So today is Friday. I will not expect price to go all the way up. At least should price go to take this previous daily highs. This is my expectation for today. I am bullish on euro. So how can I take engage on euro? So if you will come to the 4 hour, what do we have here? We have SMT, we have key level. And if you see one more thing, this is the open. Okay, this is the opening price of daily candle. So what do we know about the expansion candle? When we are when we are expecting expansion candle, we need small wick and price should first open low, then close up, go high, then close down. This is the formation of the expansion candle, and it has what the small wick. This is important. Small wick support expansion. So today, what do we have? We open, we came down to the key level, and here in this candle, I am expecting expansion. So the wick is small. Also, from open it came down. Yes, this is supporting the expansion candle. And how I took entry. So first I saw there is a SMT with GBP USD. Okay. So how I took the entry. I wait for this candle swing formation, like this candle wick to form. And also, if you see this candle is supporting expansion, small wick. Now you can see the body is expanding. If you come to the 1 hour, what do we have? This candle open, came down, formed the SMT. If you see this candle took all this candle lows, but this candle failed to took this low. So we are forming SMT. I cannot take participation in this candle because it has the long wick. Long wick does not support expansion. So I came to the 30 minute. Yeah, I came to the 30 minute and see if this is the candle one, candle two, candle three. This is what a swing formation. If you see, this is the low of the wick, and this is the high of the wick, and this is the high, low, high. That is what swing. When this candle was forming the SMT, I took entry on this candle. How? I need to confirm the reversal. How? Come to the 3 minute chart. If you see, this consecutive down close candle came down. See, same thing. This consecutive down close candle came down and took this liquidity. Okay, but there is SMT euro didn't took. It is the strongest asset for today, and GBP took. So when price came and took this liquidity and close above, we form the order block. Simple concept. Actually, we form the order block here. We closed above this. We closed above we close our down close candle. Here is supposed to have entry here. This is the actual entry. This is the actual entry, and it would have been already 2 hour if you can see. This is the actual entry, but I missed this entry, so I took entry here. Uh, I market executed here, and I get my stop loss at this low. Now I'll go break even here because I don't want price to come all the way down and took me out. Because we already taken this high. Now we are approaching to Asia highs. So let's see if we are targeting the previous daily high. Then I'll book my 2 hour here. And I'll trail my stop loss. I'll trail my stop loss uh, to the break even now because I don't want price to come all the way down. So I'll update. I'll update this. See, these equal highs are good target. Also, this highs and this highs. There are there are close highs. If price make highs close, that means it is a low resistance. Price can go and take this out. So yeah, this is the trade for the today. Uh, I I missed this one. I missed this one. No issue if we are expecting the expansion. So price should at least go and take previous daily highs. This is my expectation. And if you'll measure the target, how we can do uh, by this standard deviation. If this is the manipulation link, so at least we can expect price to go -2 and -2.5, or at least you can expect price to hit -4 level up to here. Okay. Hello guys. I took a position on the gold just now, and I'll tell the narrative behind it, expecting this bullish expansion day for today. And what do we have? We open here, we form SMT, and we expanded. This is the aggressive retracement on the 1 a.m. candle inside the range. And what happened on the 5 a.m.? 5 a.m. swept the 1 a.m. low inside the fair value gap and closed above. So I was expecting this 9 a.m. to expand. How did I took entry? I took entry on 30-minute based on the 30-minute analysis. Here, here we form the swing with SMT, candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Okay, here we form the swing. I take entry on this 9:30 candle on 3 a.m. on 3-minute chart. So this is where I took entry when price in this 9:30 open came down to this M15 fair value gap, swept this low and closed above. I took entry here. I kept the stop loss here. At the 0.25 of this week. I kept stop loss here. Price came down and took me out and expanded to the first target, and this is my second target. So yeah, ideal stop loss would have been better if I would have placed the stop loss below the low. Then it would be good. But it is what it is. Price took me out, and now it is expanding up. So it hit this high. I don't know what will happen. Maybe price can reverse or can expand. I don't know. Let's see. If price will close above this candle high, then we can expect continuation. Hello guys, let's start with the end of the day review. I took two trades today. One in Euro USD, that was a win, plus two, and one trade I took on the gold, and it was a losing trade. So let's start with the Euro. What happened exactly today? Today I have the bullish bias as I explained in the video. We have the first target, previous daily highs, and these highs. So what happens today? Okay, I executed the trade here on this 1 a.m. candle. It went up, took the previous daily high. I booked profit here, and it came down. Now it is again expanding to the upside. So this is the delivery is not that good because it's due to Friday or whatever. But if it wants to expand, why it came all the way down here, and again it is expanding up. So there is choppy delivery, you can say. So this was the trade I took here. It was a 2.11 RR. Is a like quick win. This one very, this one is very good trade, I can say. But though the narrative here, is not supporting this, bullish expansion, ideal bullish expansion days. Uh, yeah, I took one here and one trade I execute on the gold also. But gold, though the bias is, you can see the bias is bullish for the day, and I had also the same expectation. But the trade totally messed up here. So on this retracement, this retracement was very strong retracement, which is showing the bearish momentum. But if you see, there are equal highs. So I thought, okay, price can't reverse, from these equal highs. It needs to take some kind of liquidity, then it will reverse. So I thought this is a kind of retracement, and when this candle closed, I was expecting this 9 a.m. to expand. That was my whole trade idea, and my target was this one ideally. So what happened here? I took I think trade here in 9 a.m. candle, but it reversed on me. If you see the 5 minute, yeah, I executed the trade here, and it came all the way down after taking this highs. So one thing, I marked in this week, when I am executing the trade near to the highs, the trade ideally is not playing out. When I execute on the, on the lower part of the highs, if there is a distance between low and highs, if I execute it in discount area, so there is a chance, there are the trades which plays out perfectly. But when I execute near to the, highs and lows, let's suppose I am buying here, this is near to the high, so this kind of choppy price action, I am marking. So this thing I need to take into consideration. See what I am telling you, this thing. I executed this trade near the low. Okay, not here or not here. So see, there are distance that price can move in my favor. I can book my profit. If I'll execute trade here, then we are near to the highs, and price can reverse on us. So this is the thing I need to take a note on, because in this week also, I think in gold, I executed near the highs, and that was also a loss. Today also, I executed I executed here at the highs, near to the highs, and see what happened. So this is the great thing to take note on. So this is the trade for Friday, and yeah, I will update you later.